Palawan Nation, so touchdown na tayo dito sa Tabuelan. So it took us 3 hours to be here. And napaka-nice ng panahon. Pero we're going to stay here for a couple of minutes. Tapos maghahanap tayo ng motor punta doon sa ating place. I'm going to reveal mamaya kung saan tayo. Pero mamaya na, alright? Mamaya na. So currently nasa plaza kami. Ito yung plaza nila. Napaka-nice talaga ng place. Oh, napakaganda na hangin, napakasarap, napaka-presko. Guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Durhan White Beach Resort. From the plaza itself going here, you will just pay 30 pesos sa motor. Check-in muna kami tapos I'll update you later. Bye! Hey Palawan Nation! So currently nandito na tayo ngayon sa Durhan White Beach Resort and it's actually located here in Tabuelan. So from Cebu, it will just take you 3 hours drive going here. So yung mga pamasahe and all, lalagay ko na lang siya sa description box. We will be staying here for 2 nights and 3 days. So I'm going to put the link down below para mabook nyo yung experience nyo dito sa Durhan White Beach Resort, Tabuelan. Also, please do like and follow Durhan White Beach Resort for you to check their updated room rates.
Girls, may nang budol dito sa Durhan.
Budol ni ate.
Pila yung Gucci.
Mari na mo, palit na mo. Chill pasalubong delights. Kung mari mo tabuilan, na-address Durhan ang mga pasalubong na mo. Budbud kabog o budbud buron, bibingka o kakanin nga budbud.
Budget friendly kayo siya nga pasalubong.
Dito guys, gihatagan niya 50. Kaya may expire yung hapon. Joke lang.
Please don't forget
To subscribe.
to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Don't forget
Don't forget
to like and
to
subscribe.
like, love, subscribe.
Ayaw na, ayaw. Huwag mo ako tamahumanan.
So guys, hello mga Palaboy, this is me again, Palaboy Nico, and first, nabudol kami ni Ate Rachel, and guys again, don't forget, support local. Ito lang kasi yung panghanap buhay ni Ate Rachel. So if you're from Tabuelan, you may follow Rachel Pasalubong Delight on Facebook. So guys, again, we are here at Durhan White Beach Resort. We will be staying here for 2 nights and 3 days. And again, this is one of the best resort here in Tabuelan. And if you want to know more about their rates, please do not forget to like and follow their Facebook page, Durhan White Beach Resort, for more updated room rates and more activities. So let's go.
So as soon as you arrive here in the area, you can actually notice this part near to the gate na meron silang area wherein you can wash your hands to masanitize yung kamay mo. Ang soap nila ba kay murang pahumot ni Coco.
Normal temperature.
After natapos tayo mag-sanitize, so pasok tayo dito and then mag-logbook tayo.
Kuya, like and subscribe. Pre, asa ka pre? Kasabag kasi yung mga pre.
So currently guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang parking area. So napaka-spacious. Ayan. Hanggang doon. Tapos meron ding parking area dito na side. Ayan. In Bisaya pa, di dyan mo mabala kasi yung parking din, no? So tara, let's go. So currently, nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating accommodation. So we are staying here in Seaview. So, and our room number is A3. Tara, room tour tayo. Okay, so ito yung ating room for 2 nights and 3 days. So what we have here guys is twin size bed. And we also have side table. Ang paborito ko, mirror. Sorry, green joke yun. And we also have AC. Din silang pa-cabinet. Our gamit is here na rin. Electric kettle. So, meron silang complimentary water. Meron din silang mask, alcohol, tissue, soap, and shampoo. And meron kaming towel. This is the most awaited part of the game. We have the CR. Ayan. So, meron tayong hot and cold shower. Tapos, yung mga itong product na to guys, hindi yan kasali. So, napaka-spacious na kanilang CR, which is napakaganda. Alright, so also, don't forget to bring your Berocca everyday. Since lagan tayo, we need to make sure that we're healthy and we do have a lot of energy. Currently, si Nico is naglilinis na nun ng mga gamit namin. Then after this one, we're heading sa aming buffet lunch. Let's go!
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Alright, so guys, katapos na namin kumuha ng aming food. It's time to eat na kasi, ayan, gutom na rin. So, what we have here is, we have fried rice, ayan, mixed seafood, grilled tuna pa nga, sisig, creamy veggie, ayan, this one, and meron tayong bihon. We also have spicy chicken, adobo, parang adobo ata. Meron din kaming pumpkin soup, ayan, pika-pika, ayan. Meron tayong speedball, meron tayong fishball, lumpia, at saka tempura.
Don't burn mo naman. Ano mga yung upuan? Mixed seafood. Bless mo na yun.
Ano ba yun? Kain mo tayo. I'll update you mamaya. Bye-bye.
Widow's Peak. Kasi sabi ko sa Widow's
Oo,
Peak.
katong naamurog koon, kanang murog sungay-sungay.
Ba't nagpipink sa'yo? Bakit sa akin hindi?
Always remember to bring your sunblock basta mag-beach kayo. Kahit maputi ka or maitim ka, mag-sunblock ka, the direct heat of the sunlight will really affect your skin itself.
Your skin themselves? Ayos ba? Ayos ba?
So guys, nagpo-prepare na lang kami para sa kayaking kasi kung daw siya, kailangan daw naka-makeup before magkakayak.
Dapat naka-foundation.
Naka-foundation. Para na ba akong kwan espasol? So tara, let's go!
Sarap ka buo kuya.
Pwede naman magtagsa mo.
Ha?
Kwan lang sa amo kayak lang sa amo ha. Hindi ka na lang green makagtai.
Ikaw mo taga-video ka lang.
Tignan nyo guys, struggle is real. Nakakapagod guys. Sumulat ka ha. Hi guys! Ayun, nakapag-dis na kami, katapos na namin maligo. And currently it's 6:20 in the evening. So dinner by the beach yung peg natin ngayon. So may pa-acoustic band sila Mayor. Ayan.
Having dinner by the beach and it's very romantic.
Yung dinner namin will be served by 7. So let's just enjoy the ambience, the music. Siguro inom kami ng konti mamaya. And I will update you soon pag nandito na yung food. Okay? Bye. Guys, ito yung food namin. We ordered sinigang, butter chicken. I ordered garlic rice. And sa kanya is plain rice lang.
Sa best seller ko kaya sa cocktails. Kana first.
guys, so ayan, pangatlong baso ko na. Frozen rose margarita. So let's try this. So guys, pang-apat na. Cheers! O diba, coily ko na. Pang-lima. Pang-lima na guys. Pang-anim na, pang-anim! Pang-7 na guys, pang-7! So this is our last drink. Asang weng-weng niya? Kanay. Ika-8 ko na to. Hey guys, good morning! It's our day 2 here in Dorhan White Beach Resort. It's 12. Kakagising lang din namin kasi masyadong napasarap yung aming utilization namin kagabi. And naka 9 glass ako ng cocktail. And hanggang ngayon masakit pa rin yung ulo ko, pero that was super fun. One thing na maganda dito sa Dorhan guys is you can actually avail their promo right now. 400 pesos, unlimited cocktail. So ayun, yun yung try namin kagabi. Sabi ni Dorhan, ay parang na-scam tayo ng mga mangiinom na to. So andito na yung food namin.
So we ordered lamao with egg, siomai, and lumpia. Chicken sotanghon soup because it's kind of gloomy today, guys. And there's hubog last night. Grabe siya. Feeling ko lugi si Dorhan kagabi. 5 cocktails. 5 nga. Ako uminom. Ano ba?
Hindi mo ininom yung last. Remember?
Yeah, 4 lang pala. Kasi yung last hindi ko pala ininom.
Sabi niya, babe, ihi mo na ako. Tapos sabi ko, ba't ang tagal umihi? Pagbalik ko sa kwarto guys, nakahilata na siya, tulog na. Scam tong kasama ko. Ang dami kong ininom, parang feel ko 75% nung nasa list ininom ko. Pero nagustuhan ko yung Blue Lagoon at saka yung frozen margarita, yung blue at saka yung red.
Ako naman.
So guys, if nandito kayo sa Dorhan, try the Anli cocktail. If you are like a cocktail lover, so it's really for you. Hey guys, kakatapos lang namin maligo sa dagat ulit. Papunta kami ngayon sa public market ng Tabuelans to check ano ba yung mga pwede mabili doon at saka baka may mga ukay-ukay or whatnot, mga street food na pwede nating bilhin. Magiging local tayo dito sa Tabuelan ngayon. Tara, let's go! So hey guys, currently nandito na tayo ngayon sa kanilang public market. Luckily, brown out. Andito kami ngayon sa Ezekiel Barbecue and tabi lang talaga siya ng public market. Ngayon, wala pa silang night market nila, wala pa silang ganun. Pero the plan is ongoing na and ilalagay daw nila dito sa parang baywalk nila. Dito lang din banda sa my terminal area. Bili kami ng barbecue tapos mamaya kakain tayo ng balut. Okay? Ayan, so guys, tapos na tayong kumain ng barbecue sa may Ezekiel. Yung public terminal nila. Ayan ang public terminal and Ezekiel is there. So we found balut. Ayan.
Yum!
It's so yum! It's so yum! Ay, sarap! Sarap. Unfortunately guys, wala silang 18 dito. Oh, so dalawa sa akin, dalawa sa kanya. Actually gusto ko pa sana pero ayaw ni Nico. We call this one as Sparkle. Sparkle Mariaki. Hey guys, so we're here sa aming resort sa Dorhan and we're so happy guys kasi we were able to meet other people, share their stories and whatnot. One thing na maganda sa isang community like Tabuelan is that the people itself is so accommodating. Basta alam nilang turista ka, they will offer you a lot of things. Yun yung maganda sa isang community, nagtutulungan. Saan kami pwedeng makabili ng balot, saan yung pwedeng masarap na mga food. Small things siya pero napaka heartwarming. Hi Palawan Nations! It's our third day and last day here at Durhan White Beach Resort, and we're able to recharge, to unplug, and to collect ourselves again from the busy life in the city. So,
First, food, 10 out of 10. Accommodation and service, that's 10 out of 10. Activities, we have kayaking, we have paddle boarding, and we have jet ski, 10 out of 10. And the view, of course, look at the view, guys. Of course, it's 10 out of 10. All in all, it's 10 out of 10. For
that's it for this vlog. If you're not yet my subscriber, please do subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button and the bell next to it para ma-update ka sa mga bagong vlogs kagaya nito. Alright, so if it's me again, Auntie Palaboy, ang pobrang lagan, saying explore because life is too short and be a responsible lagan. Till next time, I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!